Konnichiwa kimono wearers. There is great fun to be had all over Nozawa Onsen, and we're in it up to our cold runny nostrils in this vid. This is Nagasaka. Most people are going to head straight up the Nagasaka gondola when they get here, leaving the Nagasaka run almost empty. Own it, it's yours. Nagasaka is green. It's 700 metres and it can be a bit of fun. Hot Dog's loving it, and Noka, well, this is where he perfected his snowplow. Why not head off into the trees? That's gonna be fun. Once you're done with Nagasaka the run, head up Nagasaka the gondola. Enjoy its views. These people are definitely ready for a bit of fun. Can you at least look a little bit excited and happy? You're on a bloody holiday, for God's sake. From the Nagasaka gondola you'll eventually be dumped at the start of Ueno Terra. Ueno Terra is green. It's 2Ks. For the most part, it is as close to flat as you can get. But look at this. It is friggin' lovely. Even those mopey people in the gondola would have to admit that. From Ueno Terra you can get access to the snow park if you want to hit some jumps. You can flirt with some trees. It's all a bit of fun. Noka said he loved Ueno Terra. Said it was major snowplowy fun.
Snowplow.
Hot Dog heading for more trees. This can only end badly.
It's just a beautiful day here.
At the end of Ueno Terra is Paradise. It's green. It's 1.2 Ks. It's wider than a football field. We all had a bit of fun here.
Go on.
There's plenty of places to eat on the mountain. This is Ueno Terra Senso. It's the last one as you head down Paradise. Get cozy, get warm, get a feed. Eating is fun. At the end of Paradise you can take Schneider, or Challenge and Utopia B, or Rinkan down to the Hikage base. Schneider is black. It's 1.5 Ks. In parts it's ungroomed. It can be a bit of speedy fun, or perhaps need a change of underwear fun. Challenge is red. It's 1.2 Ks. It's steep like a black run in parts. It's definitely a challenging kind of fun. This kid and his mum clearly thought Challenge was a fun run, but watch out for kamikaze skiers. That dude's having too much fun. Rinkan is green, it's 5Ks and is usually a serene kind of fun. I mean, look at it on a snowy day with snow-covered trees. Rinkan is gorgeous fun. Jaffa loves Rinkan as a bit of end-of-day cruisy fun. At the top of the resort is Mount Kanashi. From there you can access 5 Yamabiko runs. They are all red. You can access plenty of trees and powder between the runs, and regardless of the route taken down, it is all fun. I'll put out more detailed vids on plenty of the Nozawa Onsen runs later. It's definitely worth seeing more of them. Might even be fun. As usual, thanks for watching, remember to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay safe and wear a helmet!